In this video, I'll show you how to fix the NVIDIA app not opening. First, close the NVIDIA app if it's currently open. Open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager, then expand Display Adapters. Right-click your NVIDIA graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your NVIDIA graphics card and click Next. Wait for the driver installation to finish. Once complete, try opening the NVIDIA app again. If it's still not working, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for NVIDIA. Click the three dots next to NVIDIA app and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall and wait for it to finish. Next, download the latest version of the NVIDIA app from NVIDIA's website. Run the installer and complete the installation. Once installed, open the NVIDIA app and sign in if prompted. The NVIDIA app should now be working correctly. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.